Hey folks, what do you think about this? You buy a new $50,000 truck from Freedom Nissan in St. Albans, Vermont, and then the motor goes and they tell you, oh, we'll replace the motor, but you ain't gonna have a loaner for weeks on end with no truck. What the hell kind of a place is this? I don't know what's going on with the dealerships in this area, but don't buy a freaking vehicle from Freedom Nissan, because they'll put the screws right to you, it looks like. I'm telling you, I don't understand this at all. You pay $50,000 for a brand new truck, 10,000 miles, blown engine. No fault of mine. It's an inferior product. Thanks for listening to my bitch fest. Thanks. Louis out. Remember, vote for this guy so this doesn't happen to anyone else.